look at that Katana 1100. I mean Katana 600. Last year they made them. It's a 2024. Pretty bike, man. They're dependable bikes. So the deal is, whenever these cats are ready, we're gonna ride out to Tyson's and hey man, see what we're gonna get into. So right now waiting on Devon and E. Oh, there's Mike. Be safe. All right, here we go. All of the gang rolling out. Check them out. Bunch of super bikes, man. Here we go. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Boots just like mine. Keith. Brian. All right, here we go. Rolling deep on a Sunday. All right, so all the guys wanted to ride out to Tyson's. Apparently it's some type of motorcycle car thing. I don't know what it is, but that's cool. So I'm gonna ride out there with the fellas for a second. Then we're gonna do some video in there. And hey, enjoy this ride. I'm gonna film some of this ride here, and not only film some of this ride, but once I get out there, I may do a walk around, may not do a walk around, not sure just yet. But hey, we'll see what I feel like doing, man. You know, your boy been on these two wheels for almost 3 days, man. Guys been itching for this weather, you know what I'm saying? And the ladies are out too, so I'm sorry ladies, I ain't trying to exclude you, because you've been out too. The man is just gorgeous around here, so let's get on out to Tyson's, to this car meet and bike meet, whatever they having, and hey, enjoy the ride.